Initial sounds game, level 1. For the letter sounds s, a, t, p, e, n, s, a, t, p, I, n. So now letter S is given here and these pictures are given, and we have to find out which picture starts with the sound of letter S. S. Okay, so let's start. Now the first picture is snake. 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 Yes, it starts with S. Dog. 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 No. Seahorse. Seahorse. Yes. Scissors. Scissors. Yes. First. First. Yes. Sun. Sun. Yes. Snail. Snail. Yes. Girl. Girl. No. Now we will check for letter A sound. So which pictures starts with a sound? Let's see. Apple. Apple. Yes. Alligator. Alligator. Yes. Monkey. Monkey. No. Astronaut. Astronaut. Yes. Ant. Ant. Yes. Cat. Cat. No. Athlete. Athlete. Yes. Anchor. Anchor. Yes. Now it is a turn for letter T, t sound. So now we will see that which of these pictures start with t sound. Let's see. Boy, boy, no. Table, table, yes. Teapot, teapot, yes. Tree, tree, yes. Tin, tin, yes. Tail, tail, yes. House, house, no. Television, television, yes. Now let's check for the letter P, p sound. Which of these pictures starts with p sound? Let's see. Pin, pin, yes. Parrot, parrot, yes. Cloud, cloud, no. Pig, pig, yes. Rabbit, rabbit, no. Pan, pan, yes. Pineapple, pineapple, yes. Pink, pink, yes. Now we have to check for I sound. E. Which of these pictures starts with E sound? Ink, Ink. Yes. Iguana. Iguana. Yes. Insects. Insects. Yes. Cow. Cow. No. Fish. Fish. No. Invitation. Invitation. Yes. Banana. Banana. No. Igloo. Igloo. Yes. N. So now we have to check those pictures which starts with N. Newspaper. Newspaper. Yes. Nest. Nest. Yes. Giraffe. Giraffe. No. Necklace. Necklace. Yes. Book. Book. No. Nine. Nine. Yes. Nurse. Nurse. Yes. Nose. Nose. Yes. Bye bye.